Amazonjunglen, og Rubinho er i gang med at fange ulvetetra. Flisbogkast og overflade. For satan, det gik godt nok hurtigt. Ulvetetra er nogle rigtige rovbanditter, og ja, som man jo kan se. Hold da op, mand, vi står simpelthen inde midt i den oversvømmede jungle her. Hey Rubinho, what is that? Taira. Wolf tetra. Wolf terrakin. Se lige gavet på den der. En fisk. Nej. Okay, just the fish, Rubinho. Just the fish. Wow. I love this. It's got an interesting set of teeth. I can't show it. Lad os lige se gabet på den der. Prøv lige at se tænderne engang. Okay, Rubinho, what took you so long? What took you so long? 2 casts. Yeah. This is really something special, isn't it? Walking around in the flooded Amazon jungle, fishing Taira, and we caught also monoculus tucanara, peacock bass. Go on. Thank you. Good one, Rubinho. You hungry? Okay, go on.